Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be sharing with you some decorating ideas for a small bathroom, and I am hosting the Winter Bathroom Vignette Challenge 2021 with the beautiful Marilyn over at It's a Cozy Lifestyle with Marilyn. So what you see here is when I hosted the Fall Bathroom Vignette Challenge, but this video would be centered around winter or Christmas decor for your bathroom. So the idea of a vignette is to use a tray to decorate with. That way you can move the tray if you need the space, and that'll be great for people like myself who are limited on space in your bathroom. So yeah, and of course this is a budget friendly video because you know Mrs Vee is all about budgeting, but I'm also all about enjoying life and having nice things just on a budget. So yeah, so stay tuned to see my updated bathroom decor. So of course the first thing we're going to do is clean our space that we're going to be decorating, and I will be using this Miss Meyer's cleaner. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right here. So I hope you guys are having a great day. I just want to share some decorating ideas for a small bathroom in this video. So I want to go ahead and take this time to thank Marilyn over at It's a Cozy Lifestyle with Marilyn, and any of the other ladies who are participating in this challenge. So as you can see, I'm gonna be using my mirror tray that I picked up from Home Goods. Last year I paid like $7.99 for the tray, and then I'm going to be using these cute little pencil trees that I picked up from Hobby Lobby, 50% off. They Christmas decor was 50% off. I feel like I can use this the entire winter, not just for Christmas. So this one is about 12 inches tall, and it was $11.99, so I paid $6 for it. And this one is about 9 inches tall. So I think they're cute. I think they're perfect for my bathroom because I have the black and white decor. So I'm just playing with my placement right here to see how I like it, because I have one more piece to show you. This beautiful clear deer. It's glass, but it's a light glass. So yeah, I think that's cute. He's laying on his legs. So he was $29.99. So you know, of course, I paid $15 for him. So I got all three of these pieces for like $28. And you know, Mrs Vee is on a budget, so I used some money that was in my home envelope. I am saving up for some nightstands, but I went ahead and pulled that money out because I like these three little pieces. So yeah, so I just wanted to show you a decorative way to decorate your bathroom for less than $30. Yeah, so I'll keep these pieces for years to come. When I buy pieces, I keep them. So yeah, so I want to go ahead and thank everyone who's participating in this challenge, and I'll see you guys in the comments. Again, thank you, Marilyn, for co-hosting. And this is Mrs Vee. I'm going to continue to show you love, and I'm going to always help you save on some of the things you need.